Hello everyone, welcome back to Santosh Gamer channel. I hope all are doing good. In the last session, we learned about logical functions like if, or, and as well as and. Today we will master sorting and filtering in Excel, which are essential for organizing and analyzing data quickly. Without wasting time, let's jump into our topic. What is sorting? Sorting helps you arrange data in a meaningful order. You can sort numbers from smallest to largest and names alphabetically or dates from oldest to newest. How to sort this data? In order to sort data, first we need to select the range of our data and then we need to click on home and then we need to click on sort and filter and then we need to select the conditions which we needed. Shortcut of sort data is Alt plus D plus S, and I will be explaining with example in Excel for better understanding. And let's move on to next topic, that is filtering. In the name itself we can say it displays the necessary data and it hides the rest of the data. In order to filter the data, we need to click on home and sort and filter, and as well as we need to click on filter option. By clicking on filter option, then you will see some drop down arrows in the column headers such that we can do filtering. Now I will be explaining with an example for clear explanation and clear understanding. Let's move on to Excel work. I have opened my Excel sheet, and to open our saved data we need to click on Ctrl O and then we need to browse our data. My data is here, so I am clicking on it. Now my data was open. Here I have created a list of table like player name, teams, matches, runs, strike rate and auction price. Now we need to use sorting and filtering scenarios to understand clearly. So now I am going to use sorting scenarios. There are two scenarios I am using here. In first scenario, sort by runs, that is from highest to lowest. In order to achieve this, we need to go to a runs column and then we need to click on home button and then we need to click on sort and filter. What is the condition? High to lowest. That means from highest to lowest. So we need to click on sort Z to A, that is highest to lowest. So after clicking on sort Z to A, then we can achieve the first scenario. Now what is the second scenario? Low to high, that is sort by team, low to high. Okay, acha. We need to go to team again and then we need to click on home and then we need to click on sort and filter. And we need to click here low to high, that means alphabetical wise. So sort A to Z represents lowest to highest. So after clicking on sort A to Z, then we can see here from lowest to highest, that is alphabetical wise. In this way we can use sorting scenarios. Okay, now coming into filtering scenarios. As I said earlier, what do you mean by filtering? It allows the necessary data and hides the rest of the data. So how to apply the filters? Click on any cell and click on home button and click on sort and filter and then you need to click on filter. Now a drop downs will be appeared in the each of the cell of column header. Now click on any column header. Now you can see the things which you have written. Now in this we can apply filtering and we can do whatever we needed. Now coming to first scenario, filter players with strike rate above 135. Acha. So what it is saying? We need to filter the players having above 135 strike rate. In order to achieve this, first we need to click on strike rate drop down menu, and here we need to click on number filters, and here what is our condition? Above 135, that is greater than. Here we need to click 130. We need to write 135 in this box and we need to click on OK. See here, we can get automatically we are getting the players of striker above 135. In this case, we can use filtering techniques. In order to go to back, click on Ctrl Z. And what is our second scenario? Filter only SRH players. Yeah, we can do that. So again, we need to check the team. We need to check the team, and then we need to click on drop down menu, and we need to unbox the checkbox, and then we need to click on SRH checkbox, and then we need to click on OK. Now we are getting only SRH players. In this way, we can use filtering techniques. It is very efficient and it is very easy to learn. Before going into advanced sorting and filtering, let us check what we have completed. We have completed sorting scenarios, filtering scenarios by using sort and filter, and we know what do you mean by sort A to Z, that is lowest to highest, and sort Z to A is highest to lowest. And now we are going to see custom sort. So in order to explain custom sort, I am going to take an scenario of this first advanced sorting and filtering scenario. So in this first scenario, user wants to see top scores from each team. In order to achieve this, first we need to see the team column, and then we need to see the runs column. By using these both columns, we are going to achieve the first scenario. So click on the team column and then click on sort and filter and use custom sort. First delete this level, and then click on add level. First we want team, so sort by select team, and then in order select alphabetical wise, that is A to Z, and then what we need, again we need top scores, so we need to click on add level, and then by we need to click runs, and then we need largest to smallest, that is from highest to lowest, and then click on OK. So now we have achieved the first scenario. Let's check it's achieved or not. So first the all things we have got in alphabetical wise, and also runs from respective teams we got highest to lowest. Let's check SRH, like Rashid Khan, Abhishek Sharma, David Warner, Nitish Kumar, Santosh. So these are SRH players, and we got alphabetical wise and as well as from highest to lowest with respective teams. So now first scenario is achieved. In order to achieve this second scenario, we need to check the two columns. First team column and as well as runs column. Here by using advanced method we are doing this second scenario. So what we want, only SRH players. SRH players are in team column. So right here team, same as above, and then we want above 5000 runs. So it is in runs column. So right, same as above, runs. Here we want above 5000 runs. So click on enter and then write greater than 5000 runs. In team we need SRH. So write SRH. Now we are going to perform this scenario. So first click on data and then click on advanced tool. Here in list range the entire table should be selected. Here it takes automatically, sometimes it doesn't take. Make sure that it should be selected all the table. So in list range I have selected from 1 to 12, and then in criteria range we are what the condition, that is SRH players with above 5000 runs. So first we need to click on this criteria range box, and then we need to click on here team, and to drag there click on shift and right arrow and then page down button. Now the entire condition is selected, and this address will be selected in criteria range box. Then we want this data in another boxes. So in order to get this, click on the copy to under location and click on copy to box, and the cursor should be shown here, and then go down and you want from 19, click on here, and then automatically the address will be shown here. Now click on OK. Now you can see the SRH players with above 5000 runs. In this way we can achieve the advanced technique. So these are the scenarios of sorting scenarios, filtering scenarios, and advanced sorting and filtering. That's it guys for today's session. Today we have mastered sorting and filtering, which helps in organizing and analyzing large data easily. And today we seen sorting scenarios, filtering scenarios, and as well as advanced filters and multi-column sorting. In the next session, we will learn about data validation and drop-down lists, which help you control what data is entered into your sheet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Santosh Gamer for more Excel tricks. See you in day 6.